Sardis Lake, Mother Lake. So you can get in on the action. We got some worm going in. Heavy gear. Let's see what happens. Oh, ahí traigo pescado ya. Oh, ahí está, está. Ahí está, está. Mira, mira, mira. Yep. First fish of the day. Tiny little catfish. Tiny baby catfish. And maybe 3 minutes. All right. That's the first, that's some sign of life right there. That's awesome. Woo. It's a catfish. Whew. First cast, first catch. Less than a minute, yep. Beautiful colors. Bye-bye, little catfish. Ooh, getting another bite.
Where's yours?
Getting a bite. Lo hubiera dejado que comiera. Se llevó mi lombriz. Le pongo un pescadito a ver qué hacen los pescaditos.
Like complete.
Did you put a fish on there?
I put not a fish.
A worm?
I put a worm. ¿Me lo comieron?
I'll put a little fish.
I probably did have one on there.
Oh!
¿Alguno grande, Iván? Mírale. ¿Ya lo tiene?
Oh! Es un gatillo. Nice. Chulada, déjale agarrar las pinzas.
Creo que el mío está atorado.
¿Quiere quedárselo? Está muy chico, ¿no?
Está chiquito. Si quiere los vamos guardando en una tina para según irlos contando perdidos. Caen aquí.
¿Tú lo echas en la tina?
Como quieran. O lo oferta.
Si quieres lo soltamos ya, un grandecito. All right. Faltas Brian.
Más stuck, I think.
Oh. Small cat. Oh. Yeah. Un small catfish. Mire, de los mismos, oiga. Con el pescadillo. Beautiful little fish. We need some big ones because we're trying to make dinner. Bye. Oh, tiny one. Oh, mire, oh, este está grande, ya. Ese está más grande. Ahí viene, no, son de esos mugres, ahí lo ingrato, esos chiquitos. Those chiquitos. You wanna hold them?
Yeah.
Kind of slimy. Just be careful because they do have spikes right there. Those are spikes.
What do I do?
Just throw them in there.
Oh, at least I got something.
Catfish frenzy.
Oh my god.
A tinier one. Wait, that's a bluegill.
Y se me soltó enfrente de mí.
That's a bluegill, Brian. Oh, espérate. Pues era de otra mojarrita,
It
¿no?
was a tiny one though.
That's alright, I still wanted to see him. Yeah, and tons of little catfish, but I think we got a big one on the line. Oh, medium size. Oh,
Oh yeah. Little sharks, you know.
little shark. We got tripled up. Los tres agarramos uno a la vez.
My dad's is the biggest. Hey, pa, el de usted está gigante.
Chulada.
El de mi pa sí se queda, pero mío no.
Si quiere ya quedarse algunos.
Sí, yo creo que ya. Este sí tiene. ¿Sí se comen, no, también?
Sí, se hace caldito.
Sí.
O nuggets como los hago yo.
Nuggets.
Yeah.
Miles, millones.
Millones for sure. Keep an eye on that rod real fast there. Classic little, what is it? Split shot. See if I can fish out a little bluegill to feed these big catfish. What is this? Ooh. I think that was a baby catfish. All right. Oh, this one's been nipped at before. You can tell if a catfish try to eat them. I make cutfish bait out of this. See how it works. Fish head on there as bait. I'm already getting nibbles, so if something's able to eat that, it's got to be big, so I'm ready. Just finish chomping. Oh, finish chomping it up. Hit it. Oh. All right, this is what we're fishing with. Little tail. And we ran out of tieable weights, so we just threw that little egg sinker on there. We're not fishing too deep. Come on, chomp it up, chomp it up. Nothing yet. All right. Beautiful. Ooh, nice one. All right, that was a great day of fishing. Probably caught about 12 catfish, maybe 4 bluegill. I'd say a successful day. But we're gonna come back and see if we can get some big ones later on the week. But wow, good time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned.